Memory the Heart was made by Frida Kahlo in 1937. She created this painting to express her anger and her sadness about her husband Diego Rivera cheating on her. She is wearing European-style clothing and has her hair cropped in the painting, which was her favorite style to wear when separated from Diego Rivera. There is an arrow going through her chest where her heart should symbolize her pain and emotions. Her heart is massive and laying on the ground, still beating. You can also notice white tears below her eyes. She has her schoolgirl outfit and Tahuna costume next to her and holding out an arm on each side to Frida Kahlo. This most likely symbolizes how she can only trust and count on herself. There aren't many bright flashy colors in this piece. The mainly cool colors and dark reds give the piece unity and a sense of Frida's emotions. The variety of textures, like the heart, the clothing, and the subordination of the dark blue sky and the brown mountain range also help achieve unity in the piece. There is an excellent contrast between the white clothing and the cooler surroundings. The emphasis is on Frida, where she provides a directional force looking straight at the viewer. It is almost as if she is looking for comfort and emotional support. There is a balance and approximate symmetry, the mountains on one side and the ocean on the other. Also, a dress on each side of Frida helps with this. Her heart is scaled much larger than everything else in the piece and still pumping blood, symbolizing her emotions even greater. Her heart is very unproportionally sized compared to the rest of the painting. This symbolizes how distraught she was from Diego Rivera cheating on her. Frida Kahlo stated that she never painted dreams, but her own reality. She did not believe that she was a surrealist. Other art critics, though, believed that she was a surrealist. In Memory the Heart, she clearly portrayed her own feelings in the art, which to her is her own reality. The controversiality of it is that aspects of this painting is not realistic, especially the unproportionally large heart. I believe that she is maybe using her definition of reality wrong, and indeed she is a surrealist.